Welcome to our channel, where we upload quality videos daily to help you find the best products for your needs. In today's video, we're diving into the top wireless doorbells, helping you make the right choice for your home. Stick around to find out which one stands out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product insights. Number 1. Yuthi Security Video Doorbell Kit. The Yuthi wireless doorbell camera impressed us from start to finish with its quick setup, high-quality features, and seamless integration. Installation took less than 30 minutes, including connecting the local storage base, an intuitive, app-guided process that even tech beginners will find straightforward. As an added touch, the base is modern. Chime-like sounds when pairing devices were a fun and futuristic bonus. During our 2-week testing period, the 2K high-definition HD camera delivered excellent video clarity, capturing a wide field of view. For homes that have doorbells with cameras mounted in a corner, Yuthi includes a wedge mount for better angles, which we found helpful in capturing activity around the door. The live feed opened instantly in the app, and the two-way audio quality was crisp, making it easy to interact with visitors or delivery drivers. There are multiple chime options, and we especially like the custom and automated responses that are accessible right in the app. Number 2. Sedotech Wireless Doorbell. The battery-operated doorbell from Sedotech is a straightforward, budget-friendly option that prioritizes simplicity and functionality. Among all the doorbells we tested, this one had the fastest setup, taking just 5 to 10 minutes. Installation was a breeze. Simply attach the battery-operated doorbell button outside, then plug in the chime wherever you want to hear it inside your home. This model is as bare bones as it gets. There are no video capabilities, smart features, or extra frills, just a single button and a chime. While it lacks advanced functionality, the Sedotech wireless doorbell delivers on the basics with reliability, making it ideal for anyone who simply wants a bell to ring when there's someone at the door. It has a 1,000-foot operating range, which is impressive for its price point. The wireless doorbell includes a weatherproof transmitter for volume settings and a library of 52 chime options. For its affordability, ease of use, and quick installation, the Sedotech is a solid pick if all you need is a good wireless doorbell that is reliable. Number 3. Honeywell Home 9 Series Wireless Doorbell. This impressive wireless doorbell from Honeywell Home has an incredible 5-year battery life, ensuring that it can be used regularly without quickly draining the battery. It comes with all the screws and brackets to install the doorbell system on the wall, but the portable receiver also can be carried and set up on almost any flat surface for users who are regularly moving around the home. The receiver has a range of 450 feet. As long as it stays within this range, it can connect to the doorbell transmitter and chime when the doorbell button is pushed. The wireless doorbell comes with the option to adjust the volume to a maximum level of 90 decibels, or users can simply mute the chime if they don't want to be disturbed. While it includes 8 chimes, there is an option to download MP3 files to create custom doorbell chimes that suit personal tastes. Number 4. A Vantec Wireless Doorbell. With a built-in LED light, the wireless doorbell button and receiver are easy to see, even in the dead of night. The doorbell transmitter runs on a 3-year battery, but the compact receiver is designed to fit comfortably in a single power outlet without blocking access to another outlet. Just plug it into an electrical outlet within 1,000 feet of the transmitter and install the transmitter with the provided accessories to set up the system. The wireless doorbell includes 52 chimes that sound through the 29mm, 1.1-inch stereo speakers for clear, crisp sound quality. Choose among 5 volume levels with a maximum noise level of 115 decibels. This weatherproof product has an internal memory function that allows it to remember and automatically restore the last settings after a power outage. Number 5. Ring Peephole Cam Video Doorbell. While many wireless doorbells are suitable for apartment life, this Ring wireless doorbell takes apartment security a step further with a built-in camera that is designed to replace the door's peephole. The kit comes with all the necessary tools to install the video doorbell through the existing peephole in about 10 minutes, with no wiring or drilling required. Once installed, The wireless doorbell and peephole camera can be connected to the user's phone or tablet to receive real-time notifications when the camera detects motion outside the door or when someone presses the doorbell button. The wireless doorbell does come with the option of recording and storing up to 60 days of videos, but this feature requires a subscription to the Ring Protect plan. Peephole Cam is simple to install all by yourself. Simply unscrew and remove the existing peephole on your door with the included tool. Then place the camera on the outside and connect it with the rear section on the inside. Once it's in place, insert the rechargeable battery and snap the cover onto the rear section. Now you're ready to protect.